Hello, my name is Isabel Wheeler. It is December 16th of 2019, and this is week 8 video lab exercise of the reproductive system. In this video, I'll be dissecting the reproductive system of my male fetal pig, and then I'll be identifying the umbilical cord, the urogenital opening, and then 8 other important reproductive structures on my pig. So I've dissected my fetal pig and the male reproductive system of my pig. Now I'm going to start off by labeling the important structures of the urinary system, starting off with the umbilical cord, which is located right here. This is the umbilical cord. It's a tube-like structure that connects a fetus to the mother's placenta. So the placenta is an organ attached to the uterine wall with access to the mother's blood supply. So it's a cord that contains one vein and 2 arteries. Then we have the urogenital opening, which is located right there below the umbilical cord. And it is where the bodily waste and reproductive fluids are expelled to the environment outside of the body cavity. We have the penis right here. The penis contains 2 chambers, the corpora cavernosa, which runs the length of the organ. So these 2 chambers are filled with spongy tissue and surrounded by a membrane. Next we have the pubic bone, which is going to be located right here. And the pubic bone is the ventral and anterior of 3 principal bones composing either half of the pelvis. So there's that. And then we have the testes, which are going to be located right here. So there's one, and then there is the other. And the testes are also called testicles. They're 2 oval-shaped organs in the male reproductive system, and they're contained in sacs of skin called the scrotum. The testes also produce a hormone called testosterone, and this hormone is responsible for sex drive, fertility, and a development of muscle and bone mass. Then we have the urethra, which is going to be located right there. And the urethra is a tube that leads from the bladder and transports and discharges urine outside the body. So in males, the urethra travels through the penis and carries semen as well as urine. The allantoic bladder, which is located right next to the penis. The allantoic bladder is a urinary bladder derived from the allantois. Next we have the vas deferens, which is going to be located right down here. The vas deferens is a muscular tube that is located within the spermatic cord and is a major component of the male reproductive system. Next we have the spermatic cord, which is going to be located right there. So the spermatic cord is a cord-like structure in males formed by the vas deferens and surrounding tissue that runs from the deep inguinal ring down to each testicle. And then we have the adductors, which are going to be located on each side of the male, I guess on the sides of the legs, which are going to be located right here. So it's just the muscle right there. The adductors is any muscle that pulls a body part towards the midline of the body. So for example, the adductor muscles of the legs pull the legs towards the midline of the body so that the legs are closer together. So the muscles pull these together, these legs together. Okay, so that is going to be it for 8-week video lab exercise, our last and final one. I did label the umbilical cord, the urogenital opening of the pig, and then 8 important structures of the urinary system.